Let's try and improve on that low accuracy score using the naive Bayes model. We'll want to import this from the sklearn package using sklearn.naivebayes import multinomial NB. We can then create our algorithm and call it NB. We then use the function multinomial NB with empty brackets. We then use .fit and input our xtrain and ytrain. We then create our predictions on our test dataset just using the predict function from sklearn and use this to compute our accuracy score. So we compute the accuracy on our ypred NB and test it against our ytest for our accuracy. We can see here the accuracy has improved a little bit, it's 0.33, so it is an improvement from our logistic regression model, but it's still not worked that well. Let's take a look at the classification report. So we'll run classification underscore report on our ytest and our ypred NB and print this out. The naive Bayes model is improving a little bit as it's using both positive and negative classifications. However, there is one more model we can try to see if we can push this accuracy a little bit further.